In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell video files on Sellfy. If you create tutorials, films, or stock clips, I'll show you how to set them up so customers can buy and download them in minutes. We'll keep it clear, practical, and straightforward. Start on your Sellfy dashboard. Open the Products tab, then choose Add New Product. This is where every item begins, and it keeps your catalog organized. When asked for the product type, select Digital Product. Since you're selling a downloadable video, this tells Sellfy to deliver a file after checkout rather than anything physical. Now upload your video file or files. Sellfy supports common formats like MP4, AVI, and MOV, so pick the version that balances quality and size for your audience. MP4 with modern compression is usually a safe, high compatibility choice. If you have multiple videos, upload them together so buyers get everything in one download. Clear, descriptive file names help customers know what they're getting, and keeping sizes reasonable makes downloads faster, especially on mobile. By default, your uploaded video will be available as a downloadable file after purchase. Right after checkout, the customer sees a link on the confirmation page to save the video directly to their device. It's simple for them and requires no extra setup from you. Next, add a price for your video product. Consider the value you're delivering and what similar creators charge. You can always adjust later as you learn what works best for your audience. If you prefer flexible payments, you can use Pay What You Want with a minimum price. This lets supporters pay more when they wish, while still ensuring you meet your baseline. It's a smart option for community projects or early releases that invite extra support. When everything looks right, save the product. That click locks in your files, pricing, and settings, and your video is ready to sell through your store page or a direct product link. And that's the whole process. From dashboard to a fully sellable digital video in just a few steps. Revisit any section if you need a quick refresher, and when you're ready, repeat the same flow for your next release. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your launch.